Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida, and somebody has turned on the washing machine today. It is going to be a rough one. It's going to be interesting to see how our captains handle it. Let's go ahead and get started and head into our first round, where we may have a new member of Team Send It. Here we're going to see this crew come rolling into Haulover. The washing machine's in full effect, but my captain is taking this Nautic Star, throttles down, and pounding his way straight into the inlet. And things look pretty good. My man's giving him a little bit of a rough ride, but they're holding on and going for it. Oh no, wait a minute. We had full send in full effect, and my man party fouls and drops his drink, and we can't permit that here on Boats vs. Haulover, and the boats are going to take a loss in the first round. But this will give you a good image, guys. The washing machine is in full effect today. It is crazy out there just outside the inlet. Things just look rough, and everybody's out there trying to have a good time, but I'll tell you what, not everybody's going to have a good time coming through the inlet today. Kind of like this crew right here. Unfortunately, the washing machine got them and sent them to a watery fate, but here the crew's struggling to get back on, but Haulover's already knocked them off and done the damage, and this crew will take a loss for the boats here in this round. But you can see the struggle that it takes to get back up after going through Haulover, and she hugs them for dear life like you just saved my life. But this gives Haulover an early 2-0 lead, and the boats are in trouble. They need to go big or go home, and that's exactly what they're going to do. When the washing machine's turned on at Haulover, how do you fix that? Well, you just send a big enough boat out there where it's not really going to matter a whole lot, kind of like this Midnight Express right here. Here we can tell they're coming through the inlet. They're not really throttled down, but they do have the boat just barely up on plane, keeping that bow high, and they're going to successfully navigate their way through Haulover. Even with the Haulover washing machine running full blast on spin cycle, this crew's not going to have any issues. This will have Haulover heading into the fourth round with a 2-1 lead. Here in the fourth round, we're going to have our captain who tells Haulover to get out of the way. I'm coming through. Here we're going to see this big Everglades come pounding through the inlet, throttles down, and our crew's got this boat up on plane, letting it do the work, and they are absolutely smashing their way through Haulover. They're going to make easy work of Haulover in this round, which is pretty impressive. You can tell it's firing out there. This Everglades has no issue whatsoever, and the fourth round goes to the boats. And that's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied it to a piece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we're going to see this vessel rolling out of Haulover. I'm not 100% sure what this boat is. Let me know in the comments below if you know what this is. It kind of looks like it could be a Mar-a-Lago, but there's several different boats that kind of have a similar feature to this. Here are our crews working their way out of Haulover though, just barely up on plane, and really they are kind of hitting this at the right speed for this boat. It's a rough day. They're not out there wanting to take too big of a pounding, and they're just really kind of rolling their way through the inlet. And you know what? They're going to make it out. We're not going to stuff the bow. Nothing crazy happens, and this crew's going to go ahead and take a win for the boats, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps around South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.